Hello, thank you for taking time to speak with us today. We're really excited to hear your thoughts on the exhibition. So first of all, could you tell us your overall impression of the exhibition, how you evaluate it, and what stood out to you the most?
Wow, when I come in, it's wow, it's such a huge exhibition, and I'm very impressed, on the modern, setup of the booth and all that. And compared to last year that I came, I think there's more interesting design of the booth and also more varieties of the exhibitors as well.
Oh, that's great to hear that.
Yeah.
It's always exciting to see how these events bring together so many different ideas and innovations. So, could you tell us a bit about your company and the purpose of your visit to the exhibition? What were you hoping to achieve, and did it meet your expectations?
My company name is actually called Firefighter Industries and Berhad. We are from Malaysia. My company actually manufacture all the firefighting equipment, firefighting prevention, fighting equipment and services. And we also provide total solutions in fire prevention. So, of course, I come here to learn about the new things that China has to offer. We have read so much about the new automation and all that, and I hope to get some new ideas and also the new equipment. Because we are actually in the midst of developing more products for the EV. Field, because there are so much of EV cars and all that. So we are looking for maybe some solutions to extinguish or to address this fire safety.
Okay. It's fantastic to hear that. It's clear that Chinese manufacturing sectors is making great strides, and the exhibition like this are testament to that. So let's moving on to a broader topic. What was your opinion on Chinese manufacturing markets, and more specifically, what's your opinion on Chinese products?
Well, China has always been renowned as the factory of the world, but this time I actually see it for myself that there are really more new products and new equipment and new materials coming out. And of course, I think with China going more into R&D research, in fact, like Huawei and Dahua and all that, yeah, I think they have like the manpower of more than 60% people in R&D. So I think that will be very great for us to learn, to see what China has to contribute into the global market and manufacturing.
That's a really insightful perspective. I'm sure that many other attendances will feel the same way. So, is there anything else you'd like to add about your experiences here or your hope for the industry?
Of course, we hope that China will take the lead, in the manufacturing world, and that will also help the country and also the world, into more new products, more new new products to contribute to the global market.
Great.